5 reasons why you should not go out with a man with girlfriend. What do you do when it comes to falling in love with a man who already has a partner? The correct answer is, do not do anything at all. Even if you are 100% sure that his heart will ultimately be yours, think again and say no. Not only because a heart already taken does not deserve to have a part of yours, but also because that heart is taken for a reason. In any other case, here we give you 5 powerful reasons why you should never get involved with a man who is already committed to another woman. 1. 3 are too many. It is clear that when you fall in love with a committed man, that other woman will hate you. Even if she does not suspect at all what is happening, it is clear that at some point she will find out, and then obviously she will not be happy at all. And her hatred will be totally focused on the woman who stole her beloved's heart. That man made you forget your sense of ethics and morals to be by his side. He's obviously going to do the same with his current partner, making her see that you never meant anything to him. 2. It will destroy your self-esteem. Think about this guy has you aside, while he is still with his current partner, the woman he supposedly loves. How does it feel to be second class or the other woman? He will always leave you to return to his partner. It will hurt a lot every time he tells you that he has to leave early for commitments with his partner. You will constantly be trying to do something to be the winner, which is a waste of time. You are perfect as you are. It's just that this guy is using you to increase his self-esteem. Do not let yourself be mistreated and lower your self-esteem. The one who is wrong is him, and he is simply using you. 3. You will stop trusting. Did he ever tell you that he loved you? You will probably never know if he really felt it or not. And considering the kind of man he was, the chances are that his sentences were not real. Be clear that there are good men circulating, and there are also good single men in the market. Be patient. Patience is a virtue for something. 4. You will never forget it. There are some things you will never forget, and many of them involve those you love. No matter how many times you tell yourself that something made you extremely happy, only you can convince yourself of that, nobody else can do it for you. Maybe on the way, you will lose all respect for yourself for having fallen into a relationship as toxic and without a future like that, which will destroy your heart and your emotions. 5. It is impossible to win. I always believed in the phrase, if you loved 2 people, choose the second one. Because if you really loved the first one, there would not be the second one. Now I am going to say that that phrase is total nonsense, simply because if this guy had loved any of them, he would never love the other. That is, what it really means is that this type of man is only capable of loving himself and is totally incapable of loving anyone else. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.